To make it easier to set ringtones for an iPhone in today's definitive guide, we'll let you know how to add ringtone to iPhone without iTunes in different ways. Part 3. How to set ringtone in iPhone without iTunes using GarageBand app. Install and open GarageBand on your iPhone. Select the plus icon, double-click the Music Creation tab, choose Audio Recorder. Poke the Tracks View sign to the audio recorder icon. Then tap the close metronome. Drag and drop the audio to the track view screen and edit and clip the file. You can now grab the ends of the song and drag them inward. To trim the audio file into a 30-second clip, tap on the Del sign at the upper left corner and choose My Songs to save the clip. Long press the new file and tap Rename. Then tap on it to mark it blue. Before pressing the share icon on the top right of the screen, tap on the ringtone icon in the middle to confirm and then hit Export to wait for your iPhone to export the audio file. Once accomplished, you can click Use Sound As and choose Standard Ringtone. Options to set ringtone in iPhone without iTunes. Part 4. How to set a custom iPhone ringtone without iTunes or computer. Any piece of music or audio files in the iPhone ringtone list can be added as the phone's ringtone. Part 5. How to make free ringtones for iPhone without iTunes. Apple's ringtone is only in M4R format. You can download audio files from such websites as Meofanio, 09, Zedge, Cellbeat, and use iOS Transfer, the tool we mentioned above, to move content to your iPhone.